Hey guys, Rainer here, and today we're going to have a look at installing SketchUp and then also licensing it, and afterwards I'll just have a quick look at setting it up with the toolbars and icons. Okay, we're going to start off with just installing SketchUp. Now, if you just type in CAD Zulu in your search engine, it should take you to my blog. I've got everything consolidated over there. So if you have a look on the left hand side there, you've got downloads. Just click on that, and if you scroll down a little bit, there's SketchUp downloads. This takes you straight to SketchUp Make, or the free version, and also SketchUp Pro. All the different versions. You'll also see extensions, so your plugins or your Ruby scripts. A quick way of getting to those: there's your 3D warehouse, which is the most trafficked online 3D repository in the world. More than 2.5 million models on there, which you can all just bring into SketchUp and they're yours. And then finally, there's the free version of Google Earth as well. So if you want to preview your model in Google Earth, you can just download it straight from there. So I'm just going to go and click on this link, and it should take me to download. There's SketchUp Pro. I'm going to go for the 64-bit, so I'm just going to click on download for that and let it run on the bottom left hand side. Alright, looks like that's downloaded. So if I just click on the exe file over there and I'm clicking on run, that should install SketchUp onto my machine. Also remember that this is a standalone or a single user license. Just going to accept and click next and just save that on my C drive. I'm just letting this run through now. Usually it does not take that long to install SketchUp. It's pretty quick actually, so the setup should be done quickly. Right, that's completed, so I'm just going to go and click on finish. Okay, and if you now have a look at your desktop, you will see SketchUp 2015 installed in there. There's your style builder and also layout. So if I just go and double click on SketchUp 2015, there's the welcome screen. One important thing to notice here is you don't get your 8 hours evaluation anymore. That's changed in 2015 to 30 days. So as soon as you've activated that trial version, it's only valid for 30 days. So just watch out for that. And the next thing we're going to do is just click on add license. Alright. Okay, now before we authorize our SketchUp, I just want to have a quick look at the two different license types. You can just pause the video and just sort of read through this. I will just run through it quickly myself. But yeah, a single user license, which is like a standalone license. That license is assigned to one person and can only be used by that registered user. The individual can install the license on 3 computers, so you can have it at work and at home, or maybe on your laptop as well. The important bit with this is the SketchUp only needs to ping to the internet to validate the license. So that's just that first initial sort of activation. That's when you need the internet, and then after that you don't need to be connected to the internet anymore. Right, with a network license, just to explain what this is say for instance you work in a office, there's about 20 people there, but you don't use SketchUp that often, so you don't really need 20 licenses. You might just need, say, 5 for instance. Pre-2015 that used to be installed, those 5 licenses used to be installed on a server. They don't need to be. You can actually just install SketchUp on each machine like you would with a single user license, and then you can just activate the license in exactly the same way, and you'll notice that the licenses are saved on the Trimble server, so it actually knows, it books out that license for you automatically, so you don't need to go and install that on the server again. Alright, let's go and activate our SketchUp. Alright, so now we're going to need to fill in our serial number and authorization code. Now you're going to get this information from your reseller. If you did buy your SketchUp from Excitech, you will receive an email, and then on the email there will be a Word document attachment which just looks like this, and then you will see your serial number and your authorization code in there. So I'm just going to go and fill these in. Okay, now as soon as we've typed in the details and clicked on add license, if you clicked on start using SketchUp, it will actually ask you to go and pick a default template. I've just gone and clicked on choose template on the top right. There's quite a few templates, you might not know which one to use. If I just go and start off with, say, the meter one over there, we're just going to go and click on start and open that up. Now in there you will see an avatar. SketchUp is used as a concept modeler, so that's why the avatar is there. You don't know how big the box is that you're drawing. It's just a box, and you can see what the size is in relation to a human being. Okay, but you can change the template if you want to. You can just go to window up at the top and you go to preferences, and in there you will see your templates. So again, there's all the default templates that we got. I usually start off with the construction documentation, so the millimeter one over there. If I just click OK, what you need to do at this point is just go file and click new, and that will refresh. Alright, and at this point you can then just go and click on View Toolbars. You'll see all the default toolbars in there, so I can just sort of start ticking on a few of these toolbars, and you'll see it sort of starts adding them, and I can always go and reposition these afterwards and just sort of dock them on the sides. They have become a little bit easier to control since 2013. Okay, and finally, after you've docked all your toolbars, you can always go back to Help and click on License, and then just go and have a look at your license. You can also remove it from here. Okay, great. Hope you guys have found that useful. If you've got any questions, just add some comments at the bottom, or maybe just email me at cadzulu@gmail.com.